Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya Sidegigcrafts, guys. Today I am doing my card. It's the 25th, and I'm grateful for something a little bit different today. Today I am grateful for warmth. What? Does that sound weird? I don't know. It's something that we take for granted and something we just kind of assume, right? Well, I don't this week because my heater wasn't working. I turned it on this last week when it was getting cold, like 39 degrees at night, and it wasn't working. And I did all kinds of kept trying to figure out what's going on, if there was anything I could do, and it wasn't happening. And it was not happening. I even went so far as to post in a Facebook group that I'm in, for community Facebook group, and asked, hey, having some problems over here. Anybody can help walk me through it or anything? And I got a few people say, hey, give us a call. We can help. We'll work with you and whatever. I was like, oh, that's so awesome. And just the generosity and the kindness of the group was fantastic. But I didn't want to call a service out during the weekend, so I was waiting for today. And you know what happened, you guys? I woke up this morning and my heater's working just fine. I was roasting last night, sweating up a storm. I'm like, what is happening? And everything is working great. And I'll probably still need to get it serviced because something's obviously not right. But I just want to be grateful for heat today. And in that same group, there's people out there that don't have heat. They're living in conditions where they don't have the comforts, all the comforts that we do or that we're used to or take for granted, like I was doing. And I just want to be grateful for that today. So that is where I'm at. Can I use this one over here maybe? So I'm thinking, oh, I like that. That's cute. Can I put this back? I feel like this tree needs to be in here. I went through my box of inspiration, and I'm finding some of these things. I don't think that goes there. We're gonna have to do something. I think we'll do, let's do some paste or something in there. What do you think about that? I think I like that idea. I've got, what do I have today? What do we have today? I've got grit paste, embossing powder, embossing glaze. We've got snowfall grit paste. Is this the translucent one? Sparkling translucent. Translucent. I went through this last time. What's going on here? Was this the one? Translucent. Why is everything translucent? Crackle paste, translucent, translucent. Why? Why? What did I find last time, guys? Grit paste snowfall. Let's just use that. This one's not translucent, right? Sparkling translucent. It is translucent. What am I doing? I used something different last time that was not. Collage medium matte. That's glue, basically. Snowfall. Translucent. Everything's translucent. Why? Why? Did my other paste must have gone bad. Well, we're going to use this. Oh, let me see here. And it'll be translucent. So what? It'll have some sparkle to it. It'll just be different. It'll be like, ooh, it's a frosty day. Let's see what we can put in the background. Should we put some warm coffee mug stains in the background too, just a little bit? I think that would be kind of cute. Since we're being grateful for warmth, let's put this in the background. Now I do need to use ink for this because if I put paste over it, it's going to leak if I don't. So we'll use ink. Guys, maybe I need to move my ink shelf over today. Also, I've got a list of things I want to do. I want to bring in my Christmas tree today. I want to get everything cleaned up. I go back to work tomorrow after my little bit vacay here that Josie was supposed to come visit, but that didn't work out due to flat tires and car trouble. Thank goodness she's okay, and decided it was probably best to just go back home and try again another time. So I'm going to go there for Christmas, which is exciting. I think Christmas in New Orleans would be fun and amazing. And I'm going to give it a go. I think that's nice for the background. So I'm kind of excited about that. And then, so I've just been home finishing up some swaps and crafting. I made some fudge yesterday. Just doing all the home things, playing with the animals. Oops, that's not where I meant that to go. Okay, we'll go that way. And then I need to go do, let's see. What would be a fun pattern? Oh, you know what? I have this stuff. This would be actually kind of cool in the background. Maybe I won't use paste. Or maybe I'll use paste also. So these are, I don't know how to explain it, kind of like chipboard kind of things. You can cut them to size. I think I've used them as stencils, but I think they're made for, I don't think they're not made for stencils. They're like paper. That might be cute. I think that's too thick though. I think this one might be nice though. This one is flowers. That's kind of pretty. Let's use this one. I think this would be nice. Kind of look like maybe some brickwork or something in the background there. And I'm not going to be able to use the edge. How am I going to use this? I can tell I've used this one as a stencil before. So I think what I'm going to do is cut it like this. But I believe they're made to be backgrounds on things. Or whatever you want, I guess. Whatever your creative mind decides. These are by Heidi Swap. But I think that would add a nice little something. I think I'm going to still put some this grip paste in the back. It's translucent and it's going to be amazing. I think I still want to design back there. See what I can find. Something fun, something basic, something swirly like that maybe. I will use a bigger stencil on this because it'll show better through that other pattern if there's bigger amounts of it on the paper. Why didn't I just wipe this up at the time? I must have just set it aside, cleaned up quick. Okay, let's just use that. Doesn't that look like snow gusts maybe through a window? We've got our coffee stains on our paper in the background. I don't have to go all the way down because it won't show down there. So I have my die cuts down there. Now this will be translucent, which means it won't be white anymore. Picked up some of that ink. I should probably just wipe that out of there. Okay. So clean that up. Look at that design already. So that's going to be clear with sparkly glitter. which will be lovely. Let me grab my towel and wipe that. I just dropped it. Ugh. So I am grateful to be warm today. I am grateful to have sweat my booty off last night while I was sleeping. I woke up, I was like, why? Why is it so warm in here? But I am so glad. So glad. I'm so grateful for my neighbors too in my community, so that they were willing to work with me. A couple businesses were like, yeah, because I told them, I said, look, I can't afford to pay anything until payday next week. But I need some help because it's cold in here and I've got animals that I can't, I can work with the reptiles because they've got heat lamps, but I've got birds in here now that I was covering at night, and I just wanted to make sure that they were healthy and safe. And somebody piped up and volunteered, hey, give us a call. We'll work with you. No problem. Like, cool beans. So, I'll definitely have to have them come out and help me assess the situation. All right, I do need foam tape here because I'm going to need to lift those up. I've got 90 projects going on my desk again already. How has that happened to me? I think it's my ADD. So we'll use this. Once I get this swap out of here, it'll be a lot easier because I've just been all over the place with beadwork and stuff like that. And it's been fun. It's been a fun project, but it's been a lot. All right, this is getting there. Still got a little ways to go. I think I can go ahead and add this on here. And you know what, you guys, now that I say that, my glue's in the other room, so I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Got my glue. I should have probably stuck a pin in it. Oh, it's working. See, look, more to be grateful for. Even the little things, guys. All right. I think I'm gonna like this card a lot. And then I'm going to sew around it anyway, so I don't have to worry too much about the edges over here. I'll turn on my glue gun because I do need to. That's going to be so cute. And then it'll have that glitter showing through the back, just very subtly, most likely. And these will go here. And then, not the fireplace. I had debated the fireplace. Where's the other piece? Where's that other piece? What did I do with it? Oh my gosh, Cash is just going on. What's the matter, kitty? What did I do with it? What in the world? You guys, where did it go? Somebody help me. Somebody help me. It's not under there. Did it go in my drawer? Where'd that piece go that was right there? Okay, I'll be back again. It was under that other piece. You know, the other one. Okay, back to it. Oh, I think this is so cute. I bet I could find a word or something to go up there too if I wanted to. I don't know that I need to, but I've got to put the numbers up here anyway. I don't think I need to put a word. Let's go ahead and put these on there. So just a reminder to myself, don't take things for granted. Like warmth. We are totally blessed with that stuff. You know, not... some people don't have some of these comforts, guys. We really are. We're blessed to have craft supplies that we can work with, and we're blessed to have, you know, a home to keep them in. We're blessed to have a space, whether it's a small space or a big space, doesn't matter. We're blessed to have it. Blessed that it's warm. We're blessed when it's warm. Blessed to have our families that we can share with. I'm just feeling all the feels right now. The holidays are here and gotta give thanks. There we go. Just kind of propping this up. I'm not sure exactly where everything's going to touch there, so I'm just going to kind of put these all over the place. I can't get that off there. Come on now, paper. I think I'm holding it down with one hand and trying to grab it with the other. I think I did that to myself. Okay. I'm gonna put some glue on the bottom of these too, because this tape doesn't always stick very well. Cute. Okay. Now I am going to go and should have sewn around that to begin with. I'm going to go sew around this and then put that on, and then I'm going to put the numbers on too. Be right back. All right. I got my sewing done. I got my numbers punched out. Can you believe it's almost Thanksgiving already? It feels like it was just summer yesterday. And yet we're already into the holidays, guys. Full swing. Full swing. There we go. The 25. I can put this away. This project is, this challenge is almost over. Definitely, you know, I was hoping, hoping I'd be able to, I did miss a couple days this month, guys. I did miss a couple, but that's okay because it's a challenge I did for myself. This is something I wanted to do for me. And I can go back and make those cards, no problem. And fill everything out. And I'm just really proud that I was able to do it in a way that was fun for me. And I hope that I know that a lot of you enjoyed it too. And I appreciate all of you that have followed along diligently. I know some of you are also creating, which is awesome. I'm glad I was able to inspire that way. There we go. So that will just sit right there. And we have this beautiful, beautiful card. I think that turned out awesome. Can you see the glitter in the back? I can see the glitter in the back. It's not very obvious, guys, because of all of the different, but you can see it kind of in there. But it is kind of hard to see, but it's there. It's there. It's subtle and it's perfect. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for crafting along. Many blessings to you. Maybe you be warm with your family and friends this holiday season. And thanks so much for being you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.